KLE Society's Law College, Bengaluru.
To honor Mr. Fresher'S, Mathadipati Swami Mata Malwari, and Advocate High Court of Karnataka to kindly address the gathering.
It will help you a great deal as you proceed further. I'm actually really overwhelmed with the facilities that have been provided at KLE today, and we have seen some times where we did weather a lot of difficult times, but I think it's the very good management from Mallikarjunaya sir and the team of faculty members. Has 20 years, I see a vast difference from what it was when we were in college. We had 8 rooms and probably the office room in total, and one of the rooms would get converted into being a moot court hall, and today you have a wonderful facility, a wonderful campus here. You should make best use of it. The few little points of advice that I would like to give you all as youngsters stepping in to the course of law is take as much time, grab as many opportunities that you can or you get to participate in various events and competitions, whether it's moot courts, mock parliament, mock trial, your debates, discussions, whatever, make as much as you can, and this will help you a great deal as you go further. And yes, it's going to be a wonderful journey, I think, for all of you. You must make the best out of it. And do remember that if you are 300 freshers here, there may be 3,000 others who do not have these facilities outside. You've been given this opportunity which you should make best use of, and don't let that go for waste. And yes, with these words, I would also like to, maybe a little too early, but I've been working closely with few aspects, mainly the historical connections with the Indian Army. And I was reading up to see, I feel that's one area which has a lot of potential for youngsters, where you merge your the legal profession or your years in college here, may open up a very good opportunity to join the armed forces through a special, the Short Service Commission. You have the Judge Advocates General Department of the Indian Army, which handles all the legal matters. Do explore that, because I feel there's a lot of potential there, and we do need a lot of young, bright minds to get in. And again, to add to what Justice Vatsala mentioned about jurisprudence, the other area, see, any subject reaches a stage of stagnation if there is no research, and the same would happen with law. And unless and until the very basic substance, the very basic essence or the foundation receives a lot of input and research. So that's another area which I feel all of you should also consider at some point in time, and I'm sure there is potential there too. For the institution, since I have this opportunity, I have a mic in my hand, sir, I have a small request. I work a lot in rural areas, and one thing which I've observed is the lacking in good communication, or rather legal language skills in the vernacular. For example, I have come across quite a few young advocates who have not been even able to draft a simple letter. If there is a bridge course of sort which could be introduced, where particularly legal language and writing, and more particular in the vernacular language, would help a great deal. If some thought in that direction would be of great help. Yes, friends, so coming to the last bit, I did read up a little bit before coming here. I thought I should share this with you. This is the introduction on a very interesting book, God Save the Honorable Supreme Court by Falias Nariman. It's there. I was just walking up, I did see the book in the library. It's about the importance of youngsters in learning the laws. And with the permission, I would like to read out a couple of paragraphs. And this is from the introduction in the book. There used to be a judge in England, Lord Justice Stephen Sedley, who retired in April 2012 as Lord Justice of the Court of Appeal. The same Stephen Sedley, whom an English Lord Chancellor would not appoint as judge because of his leftist leanings, but whom a successor, Lord Chancellor, appointed immediately on assuming office. Sedley performed admirably as a judge. When on the bench, he was reckoned as one of England's brightest judicial minds, listed in Who's Who as a man having, as a hobby, changing the world. For the practicing lawyer, the academic lawyer, and the law teacher, in this, the second decade of the 21st century, there can be no better motto: changing the world. The world of law needs changing, both in India and elsewhere. And this is a transformation I hope my young friends in law will witness during their working lives, because I believe that the legal profession, almost as no other, belongs only to the young. These are the words of Fresher's, and he ends off with a quote, and I would like to open the quote saying, "However old you be, or howsoever old you get, may you always have the vigor and the enthusiasm of youth to appreciate the enormity and magnificence of the law, and the will to unravel the mysteries and mistakes of the law." Close quotes, Fresher's. Friends, let's explore the mysteries and the magnificence of the law together. All the best with the bright future ahead. Very good morning to you all once again. Thank you.
May I now request Dr. J. M. Mallikarjunaya, Principal, to render the presidential remarks.
Honorable Mr. Justice Bhattavatsala, my dear student friend, Mr. Fresher'S, Madam Anita, Mr. Manoj, my dear colleagues and student friends. At the outset, only a couple of contextual words, and I will not stand long between you and your culturals. Well, you have realized the importance of the day. Symbolically, today, the activities at the college stand inaugurated. You are aware, and it has been recalled again, that for your personality development, your participation in curricular activities, co-curricular activities, and the extracurricular activities is must. It is so for every student, but it is more so for a law student, because it is the lawyers who are going to be the technicians in their laboratory called the society. The professional skills that you acquire, personality development that you groom, goes a long way in understanding law, goes a long way in making you the social engineers. Thus, in short, I can only tell you, a lawyer cannot offer to confine, a law student cannot offer to confine to the classrooms and the library and be satisfied with good marks on the statement of marks. You have to know law, you have to know life. Knowing life comes from your participation in other activities. Please do participate in those co-curricular and extracurricular activities and be the social engineers. And I think last but not the least, I must congratulate, as a principal I am aware, about 13 lakhs rupees being distributed today for 94 students by way of scholarships for the academic progression that you have made in your previous colleges and secured admission here. It doesn't stop here, it continues. Henceforth, you will be awarded with and felicitated with such awards depending upon your semester performance, and which is going to be felicitated during the annual day. Look forward to come once again and be the felicitated. I think with this, once again, congratulations for being part of the program and having learned a lot of things that help you for your life. And all the best. Thank you.
I now call upon Mr. Jayant.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a word of thanks for this program. First and foremost, I thank our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Dr. K. Bhaktavatsala sir, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. I express my heartfelt thanks to you and for your valuable presence. Thank you for Bhaktavatsala sir for being present here. Thank you once again, sir. For Dr. Mr. Varchaswin Aras, Mathadipati, Manteswamy Mata, Malvalli, and Advocate of High Court of Karnataka for his precious words of encouragement. Sir, I also do want to mention, I heard that you are the alumnus of National College Jayanagar, and I am also the proud alumnus of National College Jayanagar, sir. Thank you so much for being present here and joining our KLE family, sir. I request Dr. Anita ma'am to present memento to.
It's okay. No,
Thank you so much for coming, sir. I thank our well-wisher and ray of inspiration always, Mallikarjunaya, for his support, kindness, vision, commitment, and as I always say, the same. Thank you so much, sir. I thank our Vice Principal, Dr. Anita MJ, for the valuable contribution and encouragement. My heartfelt thankful for IQC Coordinator, Dr. Manoj Kumar Vijayaraman, for always encouraging, standing behind all of us for all our endeavors. Thank you so much, sir. I thank all our assistant professors, senior professors for their unfettered cooperation and effort. Last but not the least, I thank all our professors, coordinators and the student workforce who are behind this wonderful program. Thank you so much.
The inaugural ceremony concludes here. We will now continue with the Freshers' Day. I thank one and all for presenting.
আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার मेरे चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके बना तन तुम तान धीरे ना आमी जे तुम्हार শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার साथी रे मरते थे तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल, साथी रे साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। मेरे केसुओं की साये में तेरे राहतों की खुशबू है, तेरे बगैर क्या जीना, मेरे रोम रोम में तू है, मेरी चूड़ियों की खन खन से तेरी सदाई आती है, ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक हमको लाती है। ओ पिया सानी धा निधा मा मग सनि धनि सगमा, मग सनि धम मग सनि धनि सगमा गा मा गा धनि धम गम धनि सनि धम गम धनि सनि धनि धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा मधनि 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 धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा मधनि 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 सा मधनि सा मधनि सा मधनि सा सनि धम सनि धम सनि धम सनि धम मम सा सा नि दादा नि सा सा नि दादा गा गा मम सा नि दादा धनि सा 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 नि द सा 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 मग सा सा सा।
Right, there's another really amazing dance performance by Kranti and Akash. I am sure it's really nice and you will all enjoy it. Let's welcome Kranti and Akash on stage.
Kore 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 bole bole nae nae kore kore dekho dekho hum dono meet hai sun sun dil ki chapki pe hai par sun nahi paye inhe na koi hamare siwa।
मेरी जान तूने मुझको पागल है किया, मेरा लगता ना जिया तेरे बगैर, तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा, मैं तुझको अपनी बाहों में छुपा के रखूंगा, तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा, मैं तुझको अपनी आंखों में बसा के रखूंगा।
Check that, like that.
जाना लेके जाया है तेरा ये दीवाना, जाना तुझ पे मिट जाएगा तेरा ये परवाना, जाना मेरे दिल में क्या है तूने ये ना जाना, जाना तुझको याद आएगा मेरा ये अफसाना, देखो प्यारे ये नजारे ये दीवाने ये परवाने हैं इश्क में कैसे गुम, हाय तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें, तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें।
Dum da dum da dum da dum da dum da dum da dum ma dum da dum da dum da dum da dum da dum da dum।
Kranti and Akash, we hope to see this dance for like the rest 5 years, right? ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Now next we have Niranjan for a really fun performance.
ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಮಂಡಕ್ಕಿ ನಾ ತಿಂದು ಚಾ ಕುಡ್ದೆ, ಹಾಳೆ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಮಂಡಕ್ಕಿ ನಾ ತಿಂದು ಚಾ ಕುಡ್ದೆ, ಅಡ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾ ಬೀಡಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೆ ಆಕಿ ಕಂಡ್ಲು,
ನನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹನುಮಪ್ಪ ಬಾಡಪ್ಪ ಮಂಗೇನವ್ರಿಯಪ್ಪ, ನಂದು ಊರ್ನಾಗ ಖಾನಾವಳಿ ಐತ್ರಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಖಾನಾವಳಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಈ ನಡುವೆ ಚಲೋನೇ ನಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಂತದ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಿಗರ್ರ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತಾರ, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಅಂತ 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲಾಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಕ ₹100 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿನ್ರಿ. ಹಂಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯವ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಅದಾರ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅದಾರ್ರಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರೀ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್. ಹಂಗ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೋಜ್ ಸರ್ ಅದಾರ, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆಯಿಂದ ಮಹಂತೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅದಾರ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಿಂದ ಗೌಡಪ್ಪನವ್ರ ಸರ್ ಅದಾರ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದಾರ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ CP ಸರ್ ಅದಾರ, ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದಾರ ರೀಪ. ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಂಗ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತೀನಿ. ಯವ್ವೇ 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತೀನಿ ರೀ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾತ್ರಿ ಅವ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಬಾಗ್ಲಾಕಾಯವ ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗ ಸರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ. ಯವ್ವೇ ಏನು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. ಹನುಮ ಉತ್ಸು ಮಗನ, ಹನುಮ ಬಂಗೆ ಮಗನ, ಹಿಂಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೋತ್ ನನಗೂ ಭಾಳ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಭಾಳ ತ್ರಾಸಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಒಳಗೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಸರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯ್ಖಾನಿ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಸರಿ ಅವ ಹಂಗೋಗ್ ಅಂದ. ನಾನು ಹಂಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ವ ಅದ್ನೇನು ಪಾಯ್ಖಾನಿ ಅಂತಾರೇನ್ರಿ? ಅರಮನಿ ಅದಂಗದ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪಾಯ್ಖಾನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಇಡ್ತಾರೇನ್ರಿ? ಬಿಳಿ ಕಲರ್ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಐತ್ರಿ ಪಾಯ್ಖಾನಿ ಒಳಗ. ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಂಗ ತಲೆ ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತ್ನಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬಾಕಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಲು? ಕರಿಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಕುಂಕುಮನ ಹಣಿಗೆ ಹಚ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ತುಟಿಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚಾಳ ಅವ ಪಾಪ. ಸರಿ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಲು? ವಾಟ್ ಒಂಟೆ ಸಾರು ಅಂದ್ಲು. ನಾನು ಯವ್ವ ಆನಿ ಸಾರು ಒಂಟಿ ಸಾರು ಬೇಡವ, ನನಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಯಿ ಸಾರು ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಸಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಕಿ ತಂದ್ಲು. ಏನು ತಂದ್ಲು? ಈ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಉಂಡು ಗುಂಡುಗಿತ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಗತ್ತೀನಿ ಬರೋನೇ ಒಲ್ದು ಅಂತದದು. ನಾನು ಯವ್ವ ಇದೇನವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸರ್ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಸಾರು ಅಂದ್ಲು. ಯವ್ವ ನಾನು ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ತಿಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕಸ್ಕೋತ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ಲೇನ? ಅಲ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗ ಏನು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಾನೇನ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ? ಹುಡ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಊಟ ಸಿಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಳು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಮುದ್ದೆಬಾಡು, ಅಂಕಾಲ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾರು, ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಕಾಣೆ ಮೀನು, ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕು, ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಪೇಡ, ಗೋಕಾ ಕರದಂಡು, ಸಾವನೂರು ಖಾರ, ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅದಾರ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅದ. ಸರಿ ಆತು, ನಾನು ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ನೀರು ಕೊಡವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಕಿ ಸರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ. ಪಾಪ ಆಕಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಾವು ಸಂಜಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ಮುತ್ತದು ಅಂತ. ಸರಿ ಆತು ಯಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಬೇಡ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ಸವಾಸನೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಟ್ನಿ. ನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಸರ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಆಗದ ಸರ್. ಏಟ್? 8,500. ಯವ್ವ ನಾನು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲವ, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯವ್ವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. ಯವ್ವ ನೀನು ಬೇಡ, ನೀನು ಊಟನೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೋತ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿನ್ರಿ. ಪಾಪ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು KLE ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿನ್ರಿ. ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆತಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Every day is a fashion show and the world is a runway. That's right. Now it's the time for the most awaited event of the whole day. Can you all guess which event it could be? Yes, that's right.
And now I invite Naina Talwar on stage, please.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಿಯತ್ತು, ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ದೇವರು, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾನೇ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆ ಉಸಿರು. ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ದೇವರು, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾನೇ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆ ಉಸಿರು.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪೂಜಿಸುವ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನನ್ನದು, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿವೆ ಮಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೆಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಆಸಾಮಿ. ತಂದೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಮಗನು, ಊರಿಗೂ ತಕ್ಕವನು, ಕಾಪಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ನೀವೇ, ನಾನಿನ್ನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನು. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸೇವಕನನ್ನು, ನೆಟ್ಟು ಹೇರುವೆ ಬಾವುಟವನ್ನು, ಒಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಾವುತ ನಾನು. ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು, ನೀವೇ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟವರು. ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು, ನೀವೇ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟವರು. ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗೋ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಸನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಕುನ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೃದಯನೇ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹಾದಿ. ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದ ಭಗವಂತ, ಸಾಕು ಬಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದನ ಬಲವಂತ. ಲಾಲಿ ಲಾಲಿ ಮಲಗೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ, ಲಾಲಿ ಲಾಲಿ ಮಲಗೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ. ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗೋ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಸನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಕುನ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೃದಯನೇ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹಾದಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you for your retrospective and prospective effect on us. If you know, you know.
Now we have Amiditya from 4th year BA LLB for his divine performance.
Bro, it's shaking. It's shaking here and there. Hello. So, what's up, people? All the freshies, how are you? How you all doing? Yen maga, yen samachar. So, greetings of the morning to one and all present here. I'm Amiditya Sharma from 4th year BLLB. I would like to present you some songs. I hope you will like it, and please pardon me if I do some mistakes and all. Thank you. ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಒಲವು, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಒಲವು, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೋಕಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೌನ ತಂಗಾಡಿನು ನೀ ಹಾಡಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಕೇಳೋದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಕೇಳೋದಿದೆ.
Nepal in order to bless all of you. So Nepal king has a rule. This is the rule that Nepal king has got. One second, Nepal king is calling you. Okay, Nepal king doesn't like noise. He's saying I don't like noise. Okay, we'll prepare for the first question. What is the question? Okay, Nepal king wants any 3 first year students who is dressed in white color dress to come on stage and do a ramp walk for 10 seconds. Only first years. White dress. Only first years. LLM also. LLM. LLB students, LLM students. Nepal king would be angry and he will run away if you don't oblige. Any 3 students. Any 3 years on stage. 3 of them only. Ramp, place to your chair. No, soundless. Start, sir. So here we welcome our forgot one thing. You did not bend down and do namaskaram for our Nepal king. Do it from there itself. Now he wants one first year LLB student to come on the stage and sing a song for him in Kannada. LLB first year student. LLB first years. You have 10 seconds before Nepal king walks away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 1. 0.75. On stage, please. He wants 3 BLLB students of Saving Society's Law College to come on the stage and do a yoga pose fast. 3 BLLB students, first year, second year. 3 BLLB students. Fast. 3 BLLB students. 4, 3. Sir, you can do the yoga pose. Oh, this is cheating yoga pose. Okay, thank you so much. Big round of applause. Okay, since Nepal king is calling me, he wants 10 push-ups within 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Time up. Thank you, Harsha. Thank you so much, Harsha. Shows his face. Oh. Has last 2 questions since he wanted to extend it. His flight starts in another half an hour, 1 hour. He doesn't travel in cheap flights, he has a helicopter coming, so you all know that. 15 seconds of absolute silence with all of you close your eyes. 15 seconds. If you all can close your eyes after I say start and open your eyes. And the Nepal King will ask you the next question. Your time starts now. All of you.
Students can show up. What do you think?
No, we have a great poets in KL, you know.
Poets?
Yeah. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಕವಿತೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಬುಕ್ಕು ಪೆನ್ನು. ಕವಿತೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಬುಕ್ಕು ಪೆನ್ನು. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಕವಿತೆನ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದಿಯಾ ಜೈನು.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Dia from BLLB second year. So, I have written my thoughts into a poem. आज मैं अपनी पहली मोहब्बत के बारे में सबको बताना चाहती हूँ. So for that I need complete silence or maybe some silence. So can I expect some silence from you guys? Thank you. क्या मोहब्बत ऐसी भी होती है? मेरी पहली मोहब्बत, हाँ, दूसरों से कुछ अलग थी, पर कुछ गजब थी. जब मैं पहली बार रोई थी, तब तुम खुश थी. तो लगा ये भी क्या प्यार होता है. ये स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा फिल्मी होगा, पर सच है कि प्यार की शुरुआत दोस्ती से होती है और वो मेरी सबसे पहली दोस्त है. मेरी माते की एक शिकन से उसको मेरी प्रॉब्लम फट से समझ आ जाती थी. पता नहीं क्यों वही जो थी मार कर पता नहीं क्यों खुद रो जाया करती थी. अलग अलग इशारों से तुझे बुलाती थी, तू दौड़ कर आ जाती थी और मेरे बिना कुछ कहे हर चीज समझ जाती थी. कलाकार जो किरदार निभाते हैं उन सारे कलाकारों को कहना चाहती हूँ, किरदार तो कोई मेरे दोस्त से निभाना सीखे. कभी पुलिस तो कभी चोर. मुझे हंसाने के लिए क्या क्या नहीं बन जाती थी. मुझे नजर ना लगे इसीलिए काला टीका लगाया करती थी. और आज भी मेरे आंखों का काजल ना फैले इस बात का ध्यान रखा करती हूँ. मेरी एग्जाम का दिन डरी हुई परेशान थी. हाँ, मुझे बस इतना याद है मेरी प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन मेरे दोस्त का वो दही चीनी हुआ करता था. वो कहती थी ना तुम जब दूर रहोगी तब ये सारी बातें बहुत याद आएगी. अभी याद आती है कैसे मुझे तुम मना लिया करती थी जब मैं रूठ जाया करती थी. कैसे अक्सर रातों में जाकर मुझे आराम से अपनी गोद में सुला दिया करती थी. कैसे मुझे खिलाने के लिए मेरे पीछे चक्करें लगाया करती थी. कैसे मेरी थोड़ी सी जुकाम पे मुझे जबरदस्ती हल्दी का दूध पिलाया करती थी. और कैसे मेरे स्कूल ना जाने के हर बहाने को समझ जाया करती थी. हाँ, अभी याद आती है वो सारी बातें. वो लंच की छोटी सी डिब्बी, उसमें तेरा ढेर सारा प्यार. वो साथ में बैठकर खाना और आज 4 दीवारों में अकेले सो जाना. वो मेरे लेट आने पे तेरा कोई बन जाना और आज 9 बजते ही पीजी के सारे रूल्स निभाना. सुबह बादाम ना खाने पे तेरा डांट लगाना और आज खाली पेट कॉलेज बैठ जाना. वो हमारे हर छुट्टियों में घूमने जाना और आज असाइनमेंट में फंस जाना. हाँ, ये सारी बातें याद आती हूँ. ऐ दोस्त, तुझे सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ, कैसे तू इतने सारे किरदार निभा जाती है. हाँ, मेरी पहली मोहब्बत मेरी माँ है. थैंक यू. Did you all like her poetry? Isn't she really talented? She wrote all of this by her own. So at least for that, can we all give her a round of applause, please? So next, we'll have Neha Rohira second year to sing a song for all of us. And I'll be singing Fresher's, okay?
कुछ भी नहीं है तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ तू ही सफर है आखिरी कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं न देना कभी मुझको तू फासले मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಭಲ ಭಲಯಂತೆ ಹರಳಿದ ಕಣ್ಣೆನಕು ಫಲ ಫಲವಡಿದಂತೆ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಭಲ ಭಲಯಂತೆ ಹರಳಿದ ಕಣ್ಣೆನಕು ಫಲ ಫಲವಡಿದಂತೆ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಯ ಭಾಗದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಬರವಣಿಗೆ ಸಂಯೋಗದ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲಗಳು ಸಂಗೀತವಾಹಾಡಿವೆ ಚಿಲಗಳು ಸಂಗೀತವಾಹಾಡಿವೆ ಬೇರೆಯ ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಶವನಿಗುಣವು ಬೇರೆಯ ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಶವನಿಗುಣವು ಅಗದಿನ ಅಮುಕ್ಷ ಚಿಲಗಳು ಸಂಗೀತವಾಹಾಡಿವೆ
ಯಾಕೆ?
Because Jasmine is the next performer. Put your hands together for Jasmine.
There has been a better cooperation due to the weather condition. They couldn't coordinate yesterday. Barring that, everything is fine. The food was good. Congratulations to Jayan sir and team. Thank you.
Finally, the moment we have been waiting for is here. The entire ramp team is ready. If you can give me a huge cheer, we can call them one by one. Come on. Bro, huge cheer ande. Louder, come on. 3, 2, 1, come on. Okay. Ivaga, now I will call my friends Tushara and Aditya Kamal to take over the stage and start the event.
Okay, now countdown again. But 5. Okay, promise. Power won't get off now. 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait.
Team, the ramp is ready. Sorry for the inconveniences. Give me a countdown. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, man.
Hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, man. With a bang bang. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy pick up. Me not play no hide and seek. What is the thing you ever make me feel way, girl? Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, this selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, 'cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
I don't need no life.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
Long as I can feel it.
Make the beat just take control.
I don't need no life.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
Long as I can feel it.
We have to get out of control. With a bang bang. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I wait. No, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, man.
Hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, man.
Can everybody please give a round of applause for our respected principal, sir?
That ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. fire, man, I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. And my band bought that money, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some nigga in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Bitch, say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah.